Hey, how we doing, everybody? Back here at Das Trucks, we got another walk around video. If you like what you're watching, make sure you drop us a like. If you want to stay up to date on our inventory, the best way to do that is to go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel and get those bell notifications hit in. That's because we upload walk around videos for every single one of our trucks, so that is the best way to stay up to date on what we've got going on. But today's going to be a 2018 International DuraStar 4300. It had one previous owner. It's a 26-foot box truck with a ramp. It has 160,603 miles. And it has been fully reconned. And what we mean when we say that is that we go through suspension, engine braking, and transmission components. We make sure that everything is working to a crisp, but this one has also been DOT inspected. So it's ready to get to work, ready to rock for you, and it's in great condition. We'll start off with the tires. You got a 50-gallon diesel tank. We'll get you guys a good look underneath here. Very, very nice truck. The box is in great condition. Now this is non-CDL as well. We'll get into the GVWR here in just a little bit, but it is non-CDL and it does have that Cummins engine, which we'll check out here in just a little bit as well. Now here's the back side of things. You got a 1,000-pound capacity ramp up here. And then checking out your box, which is in great condition. You've got 2 rows of E-tracks, one on both sides. You've got tie-down planks going all the way around. And then you've also got kickboards. Now your roof is going to be translucent. Of course, there's no holes on this. That's a part of our check with these bigger trucks especially. You got dome lights up there. And that'd pretty much be it. All right. So the GVWR in this thing is going to be 25,500 pounds. Again, non-CDL. For those who don't know, that means that you don't need a CDL license to drive this thing. You just need your regular driver's license. All right, let's go ahead and check out that interior. The interior is going to be in great condition. As you can see, no rips or tears on these seats. Just down over here, quick guide, you've got your fire extinguisher, and then you've got those safety cones in case you ever need them. Up here, you've got your sun visors, normal stuff, and then you've got some storage room up there as well. Pretty cool stuff. So let's go ahead, hop on inside. And what we'll do is we'll start her up and then we'll run through all the features here. Just so you guys can get a good listen at what you got going on here. And we'll let her do her checks and everything. It'll do its beeping for a while. So as you can see, no lights on the dashboard. That's gonna flash just a little bit, just checking its thing out. Now it's done. No lights on the dashboard, 160,603 miles. So, entertainment-wise, you got your normal radio. All you really need, right? And then we're gonna go ahead and mute that real quick though. So we continue on with the walk around. You've got the manual windows, and then you've also have cruise control over here. Very minimalistic, nothing crazy going on here. But I'll tell you, these interiors are known to last longer than most of these box truck interiors. For example, the Freightliners, I know some plastic things always go bad on these, but the Internationals are known to last a little bit longer than most, which is a plus there. So that'd be all there, but let's go ahead and check out that sweet engine. So, as we talked about earlier, you've got a 6.7 liter Cummins ISB I6 turbocharged engine. Now these engines are known for their reliability. We've seen them last hundreds, we've seen one go up to 800,000 miles, but we know that with the Allison transmission that you have in here, it's a 6-speed Allison transmission, that combo can last you up to 1,000,000 miles if you just take care of it right. It's just like any other engine. It's all about the maintenance with these things. So make sure you're getting your PMs in there, the preventative maintenances. all that good stuff. And these things will do their work, and they'll do their good work. They've got plenty of power, upwards of 320 horsepower on most of these, and they'll last you a long time. Just make sure you're taking care of them. And this one just sounds incredible here. I'll stop talking and just get you guys a good listen and look at this incredible engine. That will wrap it up for your 2018 International DuraStar 4300 26-foot box truck with the ramp, again with that Cummins engine, the Allison transmission. If you'd like to find out some more information about this vehicle, make sure you head over to the description of this video. I'll leave a short information snippet with some measurements, all the good stuff there. And if you'd like to dig even deeper, you can go ahead and head over to our website. I'll leave the link in the description as well, where you can check out the full listing with all of its glory, all the warranty information, all the good stuff there. All right, well, thank you all very much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. It really helps us out a lot growing this small channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.